Hey, today we're going to be doing a real quick tutorial on how to install a WordPress theme. Now before we get started, let me just introduce myself. I'm Lorraine P. I'm a digital growth consultant and business coach and the founder of Step Up Boss Up Society. On this channel, I talk about business, entrepreneurship, tech tutorials, and a little bit of mindset. Now, let's get started on this tutorial. To install a WordPress themes, there are two ways of going about this. One is directly from the WordPress theme library, and the second way is to actually install a theme that you've bought from a third party. We're going to be looking at the first way, and then we'll look at the second way later. So the first way is to install a WordPress theme from the themes library. Now I've got a few already installed here, but what you'll do is you come down to the sidebar and you'll just click appearances and click on themes, which will take you to this dashboard. To add a new theme, you just click add a new, which will take you to the themes library, and immediately it's sorted out by popular, latest, and favorites. And favorites is if you've actually favorited any kind of themes yourself. And so what you want to do is just search through the themes and see which ones you like. And to install, you can hit preview, and what will happen is it will just show you a preview without being styled. Click back, or just immediately just click install. It will take a while to install, and once it's been installed you can then click activate, and once you've activated it, that will be your main theme and you can go in and customize it. When you have installed your theme, you can go back to themes, just click over back to themes, and you'll see that the new theme that you have installed is here. The second way of creating or adding a theme to WordPress is from a third-party vendor, and you can use third-party vendors like Blue Chic, which is one of my favorites. They do really pretty WordPress themes. And if you buy a theme from a vendor like this, what you'll do is you'll download the files that you get, and the files that you get will come in a zip file normally, so it'll be zipped like that. So this is the file. You'll unzip it, and then when you go into the actual file, you'll normally see there's a file actually named the name of the actual theme, and this is the document, the file you're going to have to upload to WordPress. So in this case, what will happen is you'll click add new, and then instead of looking at the themes that are already in WordPress, you'll just select upload, and at that point you could just drag and drop the zipped file and click install. This will take a while to install. Once it's installed, you can do live preview, and you can see that's a live preview. It's imported the actual content that's currently on my site to give a slight preview of what it will look like. To actually style a theme like this, you can activate it and install any plugins that the theme requires you to install. Once you've installed all the plugins that the theme requires you to install, you should then activate those plugins. And those plugins should now all be activated. So all those plugins have been added. And depending on your theme, sometimes some themes would actually allow you to import the demo data, and this is a theme that allows me to do that. So I can actually go in and download the demo information if I wanted to, and work from that to customize that theme. Obviously, each theme is different the way it's set up in the back end, but with this theme, I can literally come in and start updating and designing and adding the information that I need to customize that particular theme. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install a theme onto WordPress.